welcome to my channel, believe or not. So guys, first of all, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. And guys, today I will tell you two bonus facts, one for Christmas and second for New Year in advance. And today I will give you the answer of the question I have asked you in previous video. So today I will ask you the questions also, one for Christmas again and second for New Year in advance. So guys, without wasting time, let's start the show. Fact number 5. McDonald's is always introducing new items for their loyal customers, and obviously some are more successful than others, but their bubblegum flavored broccoli, which the fast food chain developed in 2014 as a tastier version of the leafy green for children, was a complete failure. McDonald's CEO Don Thompson admitted that kids were confused by the taste. Fact number 4. In 2010 and 2014, FIFA World Cup was shown in every country and territory on Earth, including Antarctica and Arctic Circle, which means half of the Earth's population have seen the FIFA World Cup of 2010 and 2014. Which means that a record-breaking 3.2 billion people around the world watched the FIFA World Cup in their homes. Or we can say 46.4% of the global population have watched the FIFA World Cup 2010 and 2014. Fact number 3. With 2,21,800 islands, Sweden is thought to have more islands than any other country in the world. Only about 1,000 of them are inhabited. Fact number 2. The dragon's breed chili pepper is so hot it's downright deadly. If you ate one, it could potentially cause a type of anaphylactic shock, burning the airways and closing them up. Mike Smith has said that he has tried it on the tip of his tongue and it just burned and burned. Fact number 1. Silence is golden, as they say, and while it may not be worth quite as much as jewels and gold to most people, it certainly was the primary goal for those who built the quietest room in the world, located at Microsoft's headquarters in Redmond, Washington. The lab room measures a background noise of minus 20.35 dBA, which is 20 decibels below the threshold of human hearing and breaks previous records for spaces that were deemed the planet's quietest places according to CNN. It's so quiet that you can hear your heart, stomach, even blood flowing in your veins. So now you know that why this room is considered as the quietest room in the world. So guys, now I will tell you two bonus facts, one for Christmas and second for New Year in advance. And after that I will ask you two questions, one for the topic for Christmas and second for the topic for New Year. And after that I will give you the answer of the question I have asked in my previous video. So now the time for the bonus fact for Christmas Day. We all know the song Jingle Bells. It's a Christmas song, we all know. But did you know Jingle Bell song was originally written by James Pierpont in 1857 for Thanksgiving, not for Christmas. It was originally called One Horse Open Sleigh. So now the time for the bonus fact for New Year in advance. The first New Year celebration dates back 4,000 years. Julius Caesar, the Emperor of Rome, was the first to declare 1st January a national holiday. He named the month after Janus, the Roman god of doors and gates. Janus had two faces, one looking forward and one looking back. Julius Caesar felt that a month named after this god would be fitting. Now the time for the questions about Christmas Day and New Year in advance. So guys, today is Christmas. So first I will ask the question about Christmas. The first artificial Christmas tree was created in which country? Tell me the answer of this question in comments and I will tell you the correct answer in my next video on 1st January New Year 2021. So tell me the answer of this question in comments. So now the time for the question for New Year in advance. How much percent of Americans make New Year's resolution? Tell me the answer of this question and previous one also in comments and I will give you the correct answer in my next video of New Year 1st January 2021. So tell this and previous questions answer in comments. Now the time for the answer of the question I have asked you in my previous video. Well, the answer of that question is Coca-Cola and two comments are there in which they have written the answer Coca-Cola and they are Monster of Gaming and Tanisha Gaba Gaba. So congratulations, your answer is correct. And guys, my one more channel is also there in which we will do gaming, and its name is Gaming Vlogs, in which my brother Rose is also there and we will speak in Hindi in that channel. So you can view that channel also. The link is in the description. So guys, if you are interested, then like, subscribe, and after subscribing, click on the bell icon on the right side of the screen and comment us about previous, this and upcoming videos and share. For both the channels, guys, this Believe or Not and my second channel, Gaming Vlogs also. The link is in the description for that channel. And guys, I made the target of 1000 subscribers. So please help and support me to get that target. So guys, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. And bye bye. Meet you next video. Bye bye.